be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. We've already turned off the water and disconnected the electrical, so now we're going to change out the valve. So we have here a 1/2 inch and 9/16 inch wrench. So let's loosen these up. And now the water in. And let's spin these off. All right, that's the incoming water. And this is the outbound water. There we go. Okay, now let's disconnect the humidifier solenoid valve. All right, so here's the new valve. The only important thing on this is the arrow, which is pointing in the direction of the water flow. So it's going this way from the water coming in over here to the water going out over here to the feed tube. So let's mount this valve. And put the nut back on. All right, we're going to leave those a little loose until we're done, just in case we have to slide it back and forth here. All right, let's install the feed tube. And the water coming in. All right, now let's tighten those up. All right, now we'll snug these up. There we go. All right, now the only thing left is to turn the water back on and reconnect our electrical. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.